24 variant 22. It is of October November 2022, paper 2. And question number 1 is Hala. Question 1 is Hala travels from London to Marseille by train. She must change train in Paris. So the journey from London to Paris takes 2 hours and 28 minutes. The journey from Paris to Marseille takes 3 hours and 30 minutes. The question is, the local time in Marseille and Paris is 1 hour ahead of local time in London. It means that the local time in Marseille and Paris is same. Question number 1 is, complete the time table for Hala's journey. We have to calculate London's departure time when Paris arrival time is 1650. The formula is travel time plus departure time is equal to arrival time. So if the travel time is given here 2 hours 28 minutes and the Paris arrival time is also given, so if we subtract arrival time, Paris arrival, the journey time from London to Paris from the Paris arrival time, will get the London departure time. But we have also to subtract 1 hour from the answer because the time in Paris is 1 hour ahead than London. So here is, so we solve it. I solve it for you. So Paris arrival time is 1650. It's given as a question, and the travel time from London to Paris is 2 hours and 28 minutes. We have to calculate the departure time from London. So the London departure time will be equal to, we subtract it from 228 from the 2 hours 28 minutes from 1650. So it is easy. 50 minus 20, it is 22, and 16 minus 2 is 14. But there is a time difference that London, the local time in Paris is 1 hour ahead of London. So we have to subtract that also. Therefore, I'm going to subtract 1 hour from 1422. Then the London departure time comes out to be 1322. So the London departure time is 1322. So London departure time comes out to be 1322, and we put 1322 here. So this is how you solve the time question. Next is we have to find out the Paris Marseille arrival time when the travel time from Marseille to London is 3 hours 30 minutes. So we have to add that 3 hours 30 in 1930. Okay, 3 hours 30 will be added in 1931. So Paris departure time is given as 1931, whereas the travel time from Paris to Marseille is 3 hours 30 minutes. We have to find the arrival time in Marseille. So arrival time will be equal to departure time plus travel time. So 330 will be added in 1931. We add them. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 3 plus 3 is 6. So it becomes 61. 61 minutes mean it is 1 hour and 1 hour 1 minute. So we put 1 here in the hour column, and it will remain 0. So it is 1 hour 1 minute. This 1 will be added in the 19. So 19 plus 1 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. So answer is 2301. It means she reads in Marseille at 2301. Solve it. It is given that for 250. So we'll put here 2301. That's it. Next is work out how long Hala waits in Paris before train to Marseille departs. question is work out how long. Now she arrives in Paris is 1650 and the train departs from Paris at 1931. So from 1650 to 1931 she was waiting. In order to find that waiting time, we will have to subtract 1650 minus 1931. So I do it here for you. 1931 minus 1650. So we have to subtract it like that. How it will be done like that. Now if 50 cannot be subtracted from 31 straight away, we have to borrow 1 from 90. This is hours and this is minutes. So if we borrow 1 minute, then 60 minutes will be added in 31. When we borrow from 1 here, it becomes 8 here, and this 6 will become 3 will become 9, because 60 plus 31 is 91. So 91 minus 50 is 41. This will become 41, and 18 minus 16 is 2. So she has to wait for 2 hours and 41 minutes. That's it. Next is the exchange rate between dollars and pound is $1 is equal to 0.75 pounds, and the exchange rate between dollars and euros is $1 is equal to R euros. R is some unknown. Hala changes 250 pounds into euros and she received 290 pounds euros. Calculate the value of R. So this is a tricky question. Currency exchange question basically. From this data we can find the exchange rate between pounds and euros, but we have need exchange rate between dollars and euros in order to find R. So when we find 1 pound is equal to how much pound euros, then we can find how many euros will be 0.75 pound, and 0.75 pound is equal to $1. So that answer will be the number of euros for $1. So in that case, this will give you the value of R. I do it for you. 90 pounds she receives 290 euros. So in order to find one exchange rate between pound and euros, we take 250 to this side. So this side 250 will be divided here. So we get 1 pound is equal to 290 over 250 euros. So 290 over 250 comes out to be 1.16 by calculator. This is just we can use the calculator here. So it means that 1 pound is equal to 0.16 euros. Now we have to find the 0.5 pound. So 0.5 pound will be equal to what? 1 pound is given. If you have to have 0.5, you multiply it. So 1.16 multiplied by 0.75 comes out to be 0.87. So it means 0.75 pounds is equal to 0.87 euros. Now, given that 0.75 pound is equal to $1, so it means $1 is equal to 0.87 euros. And in question, $1 is equal to R euros, so it means R is equal to 0.87, and that's your answer. That's it. So it means R comes out to be 0.87. Next, C part is solve it here. Joseph books a holiday for 3 people. The holiday costs $420 per person. $420 per person is the cost of holiday package. This price includes a reduction. Sorry, the dollar is 4. So we have to just deposit of 20% of the total cost. So calculate the amount Joseph pays as the deposit. This is for 420 is for 420. There 420 is for one person. In order to find for three people, we have to multiply 420 into 3. So 420 into 3, when you multiply 420 multiplied by 3, it comes out to be 300. 3 2 the 6, 3 4 the 12, so comes out with 1260. So it means the total cost is $1260. This is total. This is total cost. Total cost is $1260. So we have to find the for the 20, because Joseph pays 20% of this. We have to find the 20% 20% of 1260. We have to find the 20% of 1260. So 20% of 1260 comes out to be, percent means 1/100, and of will be changed into multiply sign. So this will be written as 20. I write it here for you, 20/100, 20/100 times 1260. We have to solve this. 21 the 25 the, so 1260 divided by 5 is, I will use calculator for you. 1260 divided by 5 comes out to be 252. So it means he deposit $252, because 1260 divided by 5 is 250. So he deposits $250. That's it. Next is Joseph pay a total of 85.68 for an airport parking for 8 days. This price, this 85.68 includes a reduction of 50% of the full price for booking early. So first of all, we have to find the full price, calculate the full price for approximately 1 day. So we have to find the, first we find the full price for the 8 days, then we will divide by 8 to get the full price for 1 day. Now this is reduction 15%, so we will have to reduce, I will subtract 15% from 100. 15 minus 180, so this means this number is 85% of original is full pay. It means if the original pay is or full pay is X, or we write that 85% mean over 100, so 85% of full pay for 8 days, that is for full pay, I write f dot p for full pay is equal to 85.68. This is point here, 0.68. So full pay will be equal to the full price will be equal to 80. If we shift this to the right hand side, it will become 100 over 85. You write 85.68 into 100 over 85. This is 85. This is 100 over 85. Sorry. So we can use calculator here to calculate this. 85.68 into 100 divided by 85.68 into 100 divided by 85. It comes out to be 100.8. So this comes out to be 100.8. This is for 8 days. For 1 day we will divide it by, for 1 day we will divide it by 8. When we divide it by 8, it comes out to be 12.6. So when we divide it by 8, it comes out to be 12.6. So answer for is $12.6. That's it. Next is Joseph pays a it is here 12 point. This comes out to be $12.6 is the price for 1 day. That's it. So that's it. We will start turn next question on the in next video. I hope that this video is good for you. You like it. If you like it, please like it, share it, and if you have any query, you can ask me in the comments. See you in next video very soon. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Take care.